It's the dream.
Yeah! What's up? Oh, single panda all by myself. Organism flying solo. So depressing. Hey, look! It's another panda. Yeah! Of my own species. Yeah! You know what we are? What? Copulation! Pandas! Yeah! Woohoo! What's up? Oh, darn, there's an animal we hate. Let's hide. But wait! What? With him, the plants, and us, we're now a community! Oh, darn, we're stuck on a zoo with these stupid, annoying animals, part of our ecosystem, like the chicken. Dang it! Monkey. What is the monkey doing here?
I'm sorry.
And these plants, and don't forget the abiotic things like
Darn plants!
dirt.
Dirt!
Go team. This is the plant biome in the Midwest, the prairies.
Roar!
Did you know, fella panda, that there's an average of 16 rows on the average corn cob?
I had no idea!
And that's just amazing, considering that is part of our land biosphere in which we live on. So shuck that.